Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Jared. Welcome back to another lesson. I'm a local drum teacher based in Plano, Texas, and today I want to teach you how to do some kick drum gridding exercises, okay? I've been teaching this a lot to my private students, so I want to just let you in on some of the drills that we've been using together to work on our kick drum foot coordination, being able to play some more 16th grooves with our right foot, okay? There's nothing new about these drills that I'm going to show you, but I've sort of pieced them together in a way that I like to present to my students. So if you want to download the PDF that we're using in our lesson today, you can just click the link below this video. There are 20 kick drum exercises that we're going to cover together today. So first off, what is this idea of gridding? I heard you say that, Jared. What does that term mean, grid? What are you doing? Okay, this is not a new concept. I did not come up with this. People have been doing this for a long time. All we're going to do is select a note value, okay? So in this case, we're going to be choosing 16th notes, and we're going to practice playing our kick drum or our accent pattern on each of the syllables within that note value. So 16th notes have 4 hits per beat, 4 syllables. The way you're going to count those out loud is 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. If you're in 4/4, you have 4 beats, okay? You have 4 syllables each beat, okay? So we have 4 different possibilities of where to place that accent, okay? And the basic way to go about gridding to start is just every single measure, we're going to move the accent over 1 note later in the grid. So we're going to go from playing on the 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, to playing on the E, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, to playing on the and, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, to playing on the final 16th syllable of every beat, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. Okay, so just to demonstrate this really quickly, let's play through together with the metronome. We're not going to play the drums or anything. We're just going to clap, okay, on the accents. So we'll go through this a few different rounds, okay? Let's play this 60 beats per minute. We're going to demonstrate this idea of gridding. So here we go. 1, 2, clap along with me. Here we go. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. All right, that's how you do it. Let's play it one more time. Ready, go. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1, a 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. Now, there's a bunch of different variations of these exercises that we're going to go through. We're going to start by playing 16th notes, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and we're going to play 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we're going to go through those again, play 16th notes with a backbeat, okay, on the snare drum, then 8th notes with the backbeat, then we're going to do 2-handed 16th notes alternating, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Okay, and then we're going to basically do a ride cymbal version of each of those again, bringing in our left foot playing quarter notes on the hi-hat, okay? So we're going to go through this at 80 beats per minute together. I'm going to play you drills 1 through 10. Those all use just a single accent, playing that one note on the grid each time with the kick drum, okay? Some of the other exercises do get a little bit harder, so if you can't play them the very first time, that's okay. You can go back and rewatch this video and play along. So here we go, 80 beats per minute. Let's play drills 1 through 10, single note kick drum grid, 16th notes. Okay, the next thing we're going to try is going through all those drills again, but this time doing 2 notes on the kick drum each time. All right, now what does that mean? We're still going to start the kick drum in the same place. We're going to shift it through the grid on the 1, on the E, on the and, on the but we're always going to play 2 kick drums. So it would sound like this if we just counted out the accent rhythm. 2, 3, 4. We would go 1 E, 2 E, 3 E, 4 E, E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Okay, so that's the new rhythm that our kick drum is going to be following. Okay, grab your sticks, see if you can play this 80 beats per minute. Here we go. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to gridding, 16th gridding on the kick drum. These are super practical drills that you can do and see a real payout, a real benefit in your ability to play grooves and increase your timing. So make sure you download the PDF in the description of the video, and also make sure you check out Scorpion Percussion drumsticks. Okay, they are the best, and you can use the link in the description to order your own pair. I like to use the 5A drumsticks with the ball tip. Okay, thanks so much, guys. I will catch you in the next video. See ya.